So like,
Yeah.
Holinka was saying, yeah, you know, some devs watch streams and stuff. If there's any devs watching streams, I'm not gonna say like, yo, I'm not gonna say like, yo, you know, nerf gate or something like, so that you get an inkling of what you fucking need to do. I'm not gonna say that because that's too fucking obvious. All I'm gonna say is you're fucking retards. Balance your fucking game. Why are you fucking selling this shit if you can't balance it? What's the fucking point? Fucking Down syndrome cunts. How fucking dumb do you need to be to have that shit go live?
Sure. Yo. Is there a way
Like,
we
you
can
are
know which
retarded.
they're from Darksphere, right? I'm gonna say I want to QS Ellie into them.
Go for it, I don't give a fuck.